Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Myaudi app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Myaudi app is designed for Audi owners to stay connected with their vehicle through their smartphone. It offers remote access to features like locking and unlocking the car, checking battery or fuel levels, and even locating the vehicle using GPS. You can monitor real-time stats like tire pressure, remaining range, and get notified about maintenance needs. It also lets you book service appointments and view your vehicle's history. For EV owners, the app allows remote control of charging and interior climate settings. A major plus is the clean, responsive interface that works well with both electric and gas models. Users praise the convenience of remote commands and how it streamlines managing the car's condition. If you've been enjoying this video so far, consider dropping a like, it helps a lot. Still, the app isn't flawless. Some users report lag when trying to access remote features, especially on older models. Others say the app can be buggy or slow if the internet connection isn't solid. Also, not all features are available in every region or with every Audi model, which sometimes leads to confusion or missing tools. In summary, this app is worth using if you want convenient, remote access to your Audi's key features and a way to stay on top of maintenance. But if you rely heavily on instant connectivity or have an older model, you might experience delays or limited functionality. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in description.